Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, review and show you how the Diswoe Kids camera works. Hopefully by the end of the video you will be able to make a decision on whether this is the right camera for your child or not. The camera comes in a small box. Inside the box there is a silicone bunny cover, the camera, the USB cable to charge the camera, a small instruction manual, and the camera strap. Covering the camera with a silicone bunny will give it a fun aspect and protects the camera from damage. The camera is very lightweight and suitable for children aged 3 years and above. The camera has a rechargeable lithium battery and charging it takes approximately 2.5 hours. The battery lasts for 90 minutes of continuous playing time. Now let's look at the camera from the outside. The front of the camera has the lens and a speaker. On the side of the camera, under the silicone flap, there is a USB charging point and a slot for an SD card. On the back of the camera, you have the screen display, the power button, the up and down arrows and the left and right arrows. And on top of the camera, you have the shutter. Now let's turn it on to look at its capabilities. To turn it on, tap and hold the power button for 3 seconds. This will open the main menu. There are 6 icons. To select an icon, press the camera shutter on top of the camera. To go back, press the power button. To move between icons, use the stars, left and right and up and down. The first icon is to take pictures. You can take up to 50 pictures without an SD card. To take a picture, just press the shutter. If you press the down and up star, you can choose different shades, different frames, and fun stickers. If you press the left star, you can choose a timer, and if you want to turn off the timer, press the left star again. The second icon is to take videos. You will need an SD card to be able to do this. The third icon is used to display the pictures and videos you've taken. As you can see, the pictures taken are very clear. The fourth icon is for the settings, where you can change the size of the picture, capture timer, resolution, timestamp, language, and so on. The fifth icon is for games. There are 3 games: Snake, Pushbox, and Tetris. And the 6th icon is for music, to play MP3 songs on your SD card. Hopefully this video has given you a bit of insight into how this camera functions. If you have any questions about this product, you can add a comment below this video. Please like the video if it has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.